Well, it's another hot day in Thailand, and in fact, a storm is on its way, and it is humid as hell. And I am really thirsty, so I am ready for an ice cold beer. But today, I'm going to try something completely different. Man, I am ready for this beer.
ลืมอีกแล้วแต่เช้าเลย
Hey, that's my beer. My beer. Get it? Welcome back, and here we are with my beer, and this is indeed my beer. Now this is from the Singha Corporation, so obviously it falls under the Boon Rod Brewery's umbrella. Now this has been on the market, I think at this point 6 or 7 years, but I've kind of had tunnel vision as far as the Thai beer situation is concerned, where I have only really looked at and sampled the big three, Chang, Leo and Singha. And I've always ignored this, but I thought, why not give it a try? Now, from my limited research, I'm led to believe this is a slightly lower calorie beer than the others. And as such, the alcohol content is 4.5%. So it's a 0.5% less than the others, which is not really that big of a deal. But I am led to believe this is something you can kind of have a long session with. Now, what I will say is, once I get it opened, if it turns out I really like it, that could be problematic because I have yet to see a single restaurant in this area, which of course is the Nonthaburi area, offer this. You only ever get offered Chang, Leo, Singha, and in some cases Heineken. Never seen this one in a restaurant, so maybe that will change going forward, I don't know. And one other little bit of information for you is that some people are saying this is simply Singha Light that has been rebranded, and that does make sense because I had Singha Light, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, haven't seen it since, so it could well be this is just a lighter version of Singha. Now it does say on the label here, this is a modern taste of Thailand, and I think what Boon Rod are going for here is to get something that will get younger people more involved in consuming their products, because let's be honest here, the big three, the labeling is quite sort of outdated at this point. This is a sort of very modern, fresh look, something that the younger audience may be more inclined to try, but it's all good and well talking about labels. Let's try the damn thing. So as I said, 4.5%, so slightly less than the big three, but 5% really doesn't make that big of a difference. And I've got my nice classic British pub glass here. So, and obviously this is a simple test of this beer. I'm not going to compare it to the others, so I cannot comment on colours and tastes, but it looks very much like the other beers in Thailand. Aroma? Very little actually, but how does it taste? That's not bad actually. Similar to Singha, but even less flavour than Singha. And if you remember my last video looking at the big three, I came to the conclusion that Chang is probably the best tasting, but Singha is the smoothest. This one, let me just try again. You know, it's not at all bad. And if I were to compare it to something I'm familiar with, I'd put it in the same sort of category as Coors Light and Bud Light. It's extremely light in flavour, very light in smell, and even though it's claimed to be a lower calorie beer, it doesn't actually give you any indication of what the calories are, but I'm assuming that must be true, so perhaps this would be a good one for me to have. But again, it will be something I can only drink at home because I've never seen this offered in a restaurant. Yeah, that's actually quite good. The more I drink it, the more I like it. Yeah, I would definitely get this again. So this could well be my choice for having a beer or two at home. Especially if it is the case it is lower in calories, although there's no such thing as a diet beer, but if you can knock off a few calories here and there, it all helps. So this was a look at my beer from the Singha Corporation. So yeah, if you're in Thailand, give this one a shot. It's not at all bad, actually. I'm quite surprised. Yep, very pleasant taste, actually. Nothing harsh about it whatsoever. It goes down a treat. And on a hot day like this would be something I would definitely drink again. So there you go. A quick look at my beer. So if you were in Thailand, if you're staying here, or if you're simply here on vacation, give it a shot. You might like it. I did. So thank you all for watching. Hope you found this quick video interesting. And if you did, please be kind, leave a quick like, share the video. Do make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you all next time.